Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and set stop loss in eToro on Android. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website. If you're using your mobile device browser, you can go to eToro.com. If you're using the application, just open up the application and you're going to see the join eToro button as well. This is going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, go use the login option, and by logging in, it's going to enable you to access your profile, and this is going to open up a new menu where you can see all the trading investment options you have. So at the bottom of the screen, if you're using your mobile application, you're going to be able to find your portfolio, wallet, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to set a stop loss that we want to use on eToro. So here we have the official eToro help center. It works the same exactly for the mobile device. So you're going to click on stop loss once you're opening a trade. So to set the stop loss, you're going to go ahead and open a trade and click stop loss and choose between the amount or rate. So at the bottom of your device screen on the application, you're going to be able to see the investments tab that you can go and use to open a trade, where you're going to go ahead and select stop loss and type the amount or rate and use the plus and minus buttons to go ahead and set the amount you want to use for your stop loss. Once you've selected all your parameters, you're going to click on open trade, and this is going to enable you to open the trade. And if the market for the asset you're trading is closed, you can only set a stop loss as an amount, so you keep that in mind. This is how to go ahead and set stop loss. It works exactly the same for Android device, just use the application, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.